Hey everybody, so it's Sunday and I already made my breakfast. I'm just getting ready to go to church, but I have to make the puff-puff samples for church because I don't know what I was trying to say, but yeah, I have to be at church at anytime before 8:50 I think. So I should not be eating while talking, but the excuse me, the oil is getting hot for the puff puff, and then once I'm done eating, I'm gonna go ahead and fry it and then take a shower and head to church. But yeah, things are hot. It says, yeah, see it? Heck yes. And I'm having the Lipton green tea. It's so hot, but let me show you guys my food though. I made this too brown, like I burnt it a little bit, but that's okay. We're still gonna eat it. We're still gonna eat it. So let's eat. Also, I don't know what I'm really doing today, but maybe I might step out, maybe go out like a little Sunday dinner. I really should not be talking and eating, but maybe like a Sunday dinner after church. I have to run some errands with my mom, but you guys are gonna see. You see, I feel like I look so sweaty because I shouldn't focus on that. But let's get everything done and leave this house. Anyways, this is brown a little bit, like I burnt a little bit, but it's still good. So I just wanted to show you guys the packaging. We have 1 meat pie, 2 puff puff for each. This is just like extra puff puff for anybody who just wants puff puff. 1 meat pie, 2 puff puff. Oopsie, but that's how it looks. Oh, my bad. And you know, just samples for today. That's extra puff puff over there. But we at church. We at church. This thing does not want to zoom, you know. But yeah, we are at church and we're gonna go in now.
Jesus Christ. Again, we're going to use this scripture to pray for our nation, the United States of America, and all the nations of the world. And we're going to ask the praise the Lord. Now, again, our testimony this morning. We have a testimony, and please, I'm going to encourage everyone next year this morning. Please
It's a little bit blurry, but I'm just line them up here like that. I'm breathing so hard because it took me forever to be able. Hi, Uncle. Yeah, Uncle, you can grab a sample. You know, you can order from us if you like it. It's puff puff, meat pie. We do make ching ching, but we do that in bulks. You have to order for that, so we couldn't make it. We also do make fish pie. All of that's in bulks, but this one we just decided to make sample for you guys. You know, so if you like, you can order from us. You know, that's my business partner over there. But we have but solo.
It's good.
But yeah, we're in church. He grabbed a sample. What's your sample, Solomon? Let's see your sample.
It's buns, and I think that's a meat pie or fish pie. I'm not sure.
It's meat pie.
Yeah, it smells delicious though.
Yeah, so he's gonna order when he likes it, but that's just a sample for now. Okay. Yeah. Peace out.
Bye.
We're trying to take pictures for him for the gram. I'm done. No, little boy style.
Listen up, like,
yeah, some little swag. No, I'm vlogging. Little swag. We have people over there too, but
yeah, like look away,
like do some little. No, don't overthink it.
lights, camera, action.
Yeah, setting up for next Sunday. We have Pastor Tolu here.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're setting up and all, and it's looking good. Next Sunday is gonna be our turn. No, you better come online next Sunday because we'll be right there recording. You already know the vibes.
Brother David's over there.
Yes, sir.
He's the man behind the technical.
Yeah, they got it all covered.
But the demo.
But those light panels, guys, I gotta get that. Like, look at that.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's go continue our business. So, let's come here. We came with a full tray. We're leaving with an empty tray. You know, I don't know if she's running away from the camera. If you're looking dark over there,
It's dark.
because I was standing over here, you're gonna stand. But I'm going home. I don't know about the others, but this girl's going home. Woo! Do you see that light? So, my mom and I stopped at the African market. Crayfish, onions. See? So, this African store is weird. Like, weird. They don't know us to vlog in the first place. And then, this lady has the nerve to tell me, oh, can you please put on your camera? Like, excuse you. I'm not gonna bring no customers to this store, but that pissed me off. Like, the fuck? That really, really pissed me off. This lady comes to me with a whole straight face. Like, one thing I hate about Africans is that they don't know no customer service. Even if you want to tell someone, oh, we don't allow people with cameras in here to vlog, you don't just come to them with a whole mean face talking as if I'm just some whole terrorist or what. Like, that really pissed me off. I low-key wanted to get a lot from here, but I'm not gonna get it because I'm sorry, we as Africans need to learn how to do customer service. So I'm stepping out with friends for dinner. We're just having a little hangout. There's a dog over there, but it's what I have on. I have lots of allergies on my chest though. But I have this yellow skirt, black top, heels, you know. But yeah, I'm just waiting for them to come out. Yes, sir. That's Daisler. And that's Blessing.
Oh, I'm not even dressed yet.
No, they're still looking cute. I feel like I overdressed, guys.
No, you did. This is very cute. Full on heels.
But look at her. Isn't she just fine?
Girl, Addie.
Hey.
Stop. We're at Mayako, guys. We just arrived. So, this is the place. Oh, so she's trying to brush her hair right now. So. Are you really? Yeah, I recorded. So how are you? What's your name?
Hi, my name is Daisla.
Uh-huh.
I really hope I look good in this light because it's dark.
You do? No, it's not. It's bright. It's
bright?
Yeah, the camera will get the good lighting.
Oh.
So yeah.
Hi, everybody. My name is Daisla.
They like,
And
you think of that dark left?
long vlog details and etc. And we're going to go eat.
Yeah. I don't know how to pronounce it.
At the birds. This is son of a peach. I'll get it from here. Just to get it.
It's the fried rice, guys.
Okay, so where's our fork? So I guess we have to eat this. Here's the spoon.
Thank you.
So can I eat?
So listen, you are the slash. I'm trying to get a boomerang.
One more time though. Let me just get Snapchat one.
Okay, but turn off your flash. Let me get my boomerang. Like, damn.
Hold on, let me do flash.
Bro.
So this has to get another sushi.
I'm dropping.
Do like that.
Okay. Yeah, she has to do all over.
We should go with there one day though.
We're done for Miyakos. I think the light is better over here. Yes, sir. My hairband is like gone. But we doing Daisla is full stuff. Stop.
Actually looks so cute.
Aww, she looks adorable.
Pretty.
She a fine babe.
Stop.
No, she's a fine babe for real.
Let's dance. Let's dance.
We love.
Yeah, let's go.
Song?
Toy payoff.
Yeah. Lit place.
Huh? I know, right? Going home. No, that was the end of a nice hangout.
I need to what?
What he say?
He said we need to meet his friends.
Ah, sorry. That's
Your phone?
Yeah.
Say so.
oh my gosh. So Daisla forgot her phone at the
Let's
restroom.
run. Yeah, let's run.
Can you call it?
So today we're cutting somebody's hair. I'm joking, but I'm just gonna show you guys how we're cutting it. I'm doing too much.
Posing.
Yes,
Yes.
guys, this girl is cutting all of this hair, like all of it. I think this light is good. If it's not good, we're still gonna add it to the
No, it's still good. It doesn't matter.
like a little self-care week. I had to put that down so you guys can hear me. I love my hair back. But we're having like a little self-care week, so we stopped by a Waffle House to grab something to eat, and we had to go do our nails, toes, eyebrows, because you girls looking rough. But we are at Waffle House right now, and just a little breakfast. I haven't tried Waffle House before. This will be my first time, and I've heard a lot of good things about it, so let's see what's about. I'm gonna put this back on. I'm on a conference call, so I'm basically multitasking out here, as they'll say. But white top, jeans, white sandals, bag, jeans. Well, we are Waffle House.
She said when she placed them. So why is your arm covering it? Thank you.
To do right now is we're about to go do shoots for ear bugs. It's basically, it means mother box, so ear means mother. And you know, if you want to get gifts for moms to be, you want to get gifts for your friends who are, you know, pregnant, have given birth, you can go on their Instagram at earbox. It's spelled IIYABOX, earbox, and they have their link in their bio, so you can just go there, shop, you know, tell them I sent you, tell them I sent you. But just go there, you know, shop, support the business. Is black owned. I mean, let's support black businesses, you know what I'm saying? But I just got done recording, and we're gonna go this sun. But we're gonna go do our nails, because
yes sir,
we have a lot to do today. I'm already tired and stressed just thinking about it. Doesn't even make sense. But let's go do this nails, because fam's trying to look cute.
Yes,
you know what I mean?
And
sorry guys, the sun's
it's a nice sunny day, guys, so
I'm so tired already. I'm done. Why is this mask looking so big on me?
girl, I don't even have my mask on in here.
Let's take our vlog up for today, because me, I'm done.
So I got the ham and cheese croissant, and Emma got the double smoked bacon sandwich. Ooh. We got a white chocolate mocha.
So we're at the nail salon. We came to Shiny Nail Spa. It's a new spot, so we're trying it out today. Hopefully it's good. Gotta get his toes done.
How much? 52.
Yeah. Hey everybody. So we just got to Nails of America, and yeah, that's where we're going to. So to get these nails done, because man's is looking kind of dirty right here. So this is a prime example of don't cheat on your barber, or don't cheat on your nail salon or your hair salon. No, don't. We went to the Nails of America over there. It was beautiful, it was everything as you saw it, but somehow it did not feel like home. It did not feel like my nail shop. So we came to the nail shop we always come to, Nails of America, Bridgeland. So I think that one's Town Lake, something like that, and then this one's Bridgeland. We always come to the Bridgeland one. So I just had to come to Bridgeland because baby, I wasn't feeling welcomed over there.
Those are our people.
Like right there. I'm not scared. Get me right behind.
Yeah, we
I like it. It's not bad. I'll show you guys properly when I get home because it's kind of too sunny out here. I don't know you can see it, but so I'm getting ready. I am ready already. I'm going to go do my hair. I came back home and changed. I wore a dress and had to blow dry my hair again because I don't know, it was just coming back, you know, to the natural form, state, whatever it is. But I'm gonna go do my hair now at Feminine Attractions, and I think my appointment's at 6. It's 5:10 right now, so I'm tired, I'm not gonna lie. That's why I'm talking like this. But let's go do this hair and get it over with. I'm ready to get this over. I hate when it's hot and this hair keeps touching me up and down, like nope. So come with me while I go do my hair. I'll see if I can vlog in there. If not, I'll just show you guys the results when I'm done. But yeah, I'll show you guys my hair when I get home because it's really like okay. I'll show you guys properly when I get home though because it's still dark out here. But I'm done from getting my hair done, nails done, looking all cute. So I'm hungry, but I think I'll go eat at home. So let's drive home. I'll see you when I get home. Love y'all. Hello. So today is, what's it today? Today's Tuesday and it's 3:03 right now. I could not show you guys my hair yesterday or even vlog because this hair, when I tell you this hair was hurting, I was uncomfortable. I wanted to take it out when I got home because I haven't done this, like had this type of hairstyle since I was a child. So doing it was not, I don't know why I did it, but it's feeling better now. It's cute, I like it. Thanks to Feminine Attractions for the hair. I love it. I don't know, I just zoom out sometimes when I do videos. I don't know why, but I was having some coconut rice right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my hair. And I also wanted to show you guys some of the stuff I got this past weekend. I think I'm gonna start packing for $4 tomorrow. Tomorrow I already started packing, but it's just 1-2 but I'm gonna officially start packing today, actually, not tomorrow. And yeah, But let me know if you like my hair. You know, the pain is slowly going away. I don't like anything that hurts my head, my hair, whatever that hurts up here, like over here. I hate it. So I was annoyed, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish my food, and then I'll show you guys what I got. I don't want to eat and talk at the same time. It's rice, I don't want to choke. So yeah, I'm sorry, I don't know why I have them so far away. I have this little cute hand sanitizer I got. It's like, I'll call it Winnie the Pooh. But it's so cute, and you know, yellow is my favorite color, so I had to get it. And then I got a second battery for my camera. I need like a backup battery just in case I'm traveling, or if I'm not traveling but I'm just somewhere and I need to, you know, get something on camera and all. So yeah, I got another Canon battery. And then secondly, no, that was 1, 2, third thing I got is this cute makeup bag from Target. I don't know, I want the camera to focus on it. This is how it looks inside. It actually looks kind of small. When I got it, I was skeptical about it. I didn't know if it was gonna fit all my makeup, but then I don't do a lot of makeup, so I got it. And I mean, we thank God we came home and all the makeup fits in there. So I think I got it for $20 at Target. So yeah, I just love the little cute, you know, sizing. I love the design. It's all black and a little gold over here. It has like gold over here too. So I got it for my makeup. Also, I got some makeup products from Ulta Beauty. I do have this already in the black. I have the continuous, no, luminous continuous. I think it's a continuous setting spray, but this time around I had to get the white one, which is the mattifying continuous setting spray. I keep struggling with my breath today, I don't know why, but I'm gonna try it out somehow. I try to spray it just to see how it looks like, and it comes out looking all white or creamy. I don't know if I want all that on my face, because the other one I have, it's just clear and everything. But the bottle's cute. We can use it for aesthetics and all, and it's one of the best setting sprays out there. So if you ever want to try it, go ahead. I got this this little cute, oops, sorry guys, I got this little cute gloss from the beauty supply store when I went to go get my hair to do the braids. It's a 24K gold lip gloss. It was cute, it looks aesthetically pleasing, so I decided to get it. The applicator in here, it's plastic, so I got this. Hopefully this turns out to be good, because I will be mad. It's like a nude lip gloss. I'm gonna try the lip line, apply it, then put a clear lip gloss on it. It's by Kiss, and I really don't know which. Oh, so it's a caramel frappuccino JLG05 by Kiss, RK by Kiss. So hopefully it's good, because I can't. And then I got this Bible. Actually, this was a gift, okay, and I am more than grateful for getting this, because giving me a Bible is just like wow, like wow, like thank you. So I've been wanting to get a new Bible for myself, you know, and I couldn't. And fortunately, you know, Uncle David, you know, gave me this new key. So we opened to Ecclesiastes. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong, but Ecclesiastes 1, no, Ecclesiastes chapter 3, and we're gonna start from verse 1. So that's the page I happen to open, and yeah, so it says everything has a time. So we're gonna read from verse 1 to verse 8, because that's the one my eyes caught first. It says, to everything there's a season, a time for every purpose under heaven. A time to be born, a time to die, a time to plant, and a time to pluck what is planted. A time to kill and a time to heal. A time to break down and a time to build up. A time to weep and a time to laugh. A time to mourn and a time to dance. A time to cast away stones and a time to gather stones. A time to embrace and a time to refrain from embracing. A time to gain and a time to lose. A time to keep and a time to throw away. A time to tear and a time to sow. A time to keep silent and a time to speak. A time to love and a time to hate. A time of war and a time of peace. So we open to Ecclesiastes 3 verse 1 to 8. I'm gonna just fold this right down here because I want to always remember it as the first Bible verse I opened. But I'm so grateful for this gift I got from Uncle David. That is all I got this week. Oh no, one more thing. I'm sorry. One more thing. I just have them all scattered everywhere, so I'll be forgetting I got them. So I also got this slides from my auntie. I just thought it was so cute. So there you go. They are 7.5. 7.5. So I got that this week too. I'm gonna be taking this $2, I think. But that's the last thing I got this week actually. And they're so cute. They're so freaking cute. Hey everyone, what up? What's poppin'? Today is, my mask is so big, September 1st. Happy new month. What's going on? How you guys doing? Oh my god, this mask is frustrating me. Let's take it off. But I actually just left an interview right now and it was a success. It was good. I was actually, oh, don't pay attention to my allergies though. I was actually gonna do this video like yesterday or a week ago, but I couldn't. But let's find somewhere and pack because I'm about to tell y'all this good news. Okay, it's not about the interview, don't get too excited. But as you guys already know from my self-care the self-care part that I did, I told you guys we're getting a new car. If you know me, you know my old car was my baby. I loved her. She was everything. It was a Volvo. But since she started having an attitude with me, she started, you know, acting up and all and stuff. And man, when I tell y'all God just literally just came through for me. Like I'm in my new car. It is September 1st. I walked into September with a new car. I'm so super proud of myself. So grateful to God. So happy. I don't even know what to say. Like, I don't know how to explain like this type of love that God has for me. But I'm overwhelmed. Excuse my hangers, you know, I had to switch up some stuff, so hangers had to end up back there. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the car that I got. The new car I got. It's a Nissan Sentra, and this baby is so pretty. I think it's gonna be a he. I'm still looking for a name. I don't know if I'm gonna name him Night, Shadow, Noir, well, I don't know, Darkness. No, I'm not gonna name him Darkness, that's from the devil. But I don't know what I'm gonna name him. I'm too excited. I sound like this still because your girl still has a cold. No corona around here. Corona is not around here. It's just a cold, but it's slowly going away. I wasn't feeling good all throughout this past week, but I'm beginning to feel great today. I feel better and all. But other than that, I have to run and go to Home Depot. So I'm gonna show you guys my car real quick, because if I don't do this now, I will not do it again. And I have to show you guys God's goodness, how God has blessed me, God's mercy. So come on, let me go show you guys. Let me go. So I decided to start from the inside, and baby, this baby is black. I have some stuff here, don't like, I have to take her for a wash. She's clean, but you know me, like I love me some extra cleanliness, but she's clean and I still want to take her for a wash. But yeah, I still have my little paper there. This is my baby, my new baby. here and he is so beautiful. My mom drenched this car in anointing oil. You know, African moms don't play. But this is how he looks. Isn't he so handsome? Like so cute. I'm just in love. Like, I don't know, I'm just grateful. Like, God has been, we just tanked a lot. Look at those rims. Look at that. This is my baby, my handsome babe. But yeah, guys, this is how it looks. This is how baby looks. He's so handsome. And we have like all of this in here and stuff. Like, my dashboard is like the most prettiest part of this car. I love the steering. It's all black. Like, this is so beautiful, so pretty, and I'm super duper grateful to God. Like, this is all God. This is all God. It's not me, guys. It's God. It's all God. But yeah, as I was saying, it's like all God and stuff, and I'm so grateful, so thankful, you know, to God. Especially this camera needs to focus because I'm giving glory to God. Can you focus, camera? But yeah, I'm so grateful to God. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. It did hurt me letting go of my other car because I was so attached to her. I loved everything. She had seat coolers, seat warmers, and everything. This one has it too, though. But I was just too attached to it, to a point where even when it started acting up on me, I did not want to let it go. I just wanted to keep it for some reason. You know, when you just, you know, fingernail with your car and you don't just want to let it go. But guys, everybody, listen. God is forever faithful, and thank you, God. Thank you. But that's my new car. That's my new baby. We're gonna find a name for him. You know what I'm saying? You can let me know if you have any names, ideas, and all. Like, just let me know. Like, should I name him Night? Should I name him Shadow? Should I name him, oh, and it's Night with a K, not with the N, only with a K. I got that idea from Lesson. She said if I have a black car, name him Night. So yeah, but that's it. Let's go to Home Depot and let's just have a wonderful day. The sun's out, you know what I'm saying? It feels great out here. I feel better. And yeah, I wish I took my laptop with me because I would have stopped by the coffee shop and just chilled there, but it's okay. We'll go to Home Depot, or is it Lowe's, and then we'll go to HEB, and then we can go home because gotta cook. Man's hungry and man's not trying to eat no fast food out here. But I love you guys so much, you know. Hopefully this will not be the end of this vlog, but if this happens to be the end, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, to comment, to subscribe, and to share. Like, sharing is what helps me a lot, and I'm so appreciative. Yeah, I'm so grateful to everybody who has been watching, liking, sharing, subscribing, everything. I love you guys so much. Like, my heart is like this big for all of you guys. I love you guys so much. So let's go, and let's hope this will not be the end of the vlog, but see you guys when I see ya. Guys, guess what I got? After a long time, I got blueberry bliss. I have like 4 of them in there. Man, have I been waiting for this? I am obsessed. Ooh, I just had to cop a lot because I think it finishes today. It ends today, doesn't it? Yeah, but
Well, it's September.
this is my favorite flavor at Nothing Burnt Cake. So, you know, if you want to get me something, get me this, okay?
And bro, you can get it in the
So sound too excited. When I see food, I'm excited.
Leave it like this.
But yeah, we got home-based pizza, the best in the world. But look at that.
And then we got
Whoa.
this one too.
I got a personal pan. I like a personal pan better. It just
But
has
that
like,
should be hitting though. I can't lie
it's
to
just
you.
so good. Blessing likes this one because it's like
Yeah.
New York style.
Yeah.
But I don't care about New York style. Like, I mean, I do care, but I like this one better. Like, that's a
Yeah.
personal pan.
That's it.
I got half veggie, half beef. Blessing got, what is this again? Chicken Alfredo?
The chicken spinach alfredo.
She got chicken spinach Alfredo. I like that one too. It is so good. But woo!
Home-based pizza is the best pizza in here.
The best. It's her best actually. I can't eat pizza anywhere, but it's her best.
Nah, it's my favorite.
Yeah, but see ya! That's how it looks like up there. I just wanted to show you guys real quick.
Dang, this pizza hot.
But see ya. So that's just mom made me orange juice because I haven't been feeling good. It's a source of vitamin C. So I'm about to have that. Like, doesn't that look so good? And it's just so sweet. I know I look all crazy and all, but this is so good. I'm about to have it. But yeah, guys, that's all I had to do today. And now I'm about to go home. It feels kind of cool out here. You want a key? Here you go. It feels kind of cool out here, you know. And
Because you're there.
oh yeah.
You know. Oh, sorry.
You good. But yeah, this yellow light is from that yellow light over there and there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, support me. I look a mess because I'm not feeling good. As I said, sweating and all. I shouldn't been doing that, but I'll wash it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have my pizza in my hand, and I'll see you guys when I see you. I love saying that, but I'll see you guys in the next vlog. And I love you, I love you, and I love you. Mwah.